Hello, welcome to your conscious flow. My name is Diana. Today I bring you a meditation for the heart, your Anahata chakra or Anahata center, the place where our pain, our deeply emotions are stored. And this meditation is good when you feel disconnected from your feelings, when you feel that past hurt, past trauma had made you become tight, become close on your heart. And this meditation is good to open and to release those emotions and open your heart and soothe those feelings that may be stuck somewhere in your body. So I invite you to create a relaxing space, light a candle, and burn some incense. I like to burn white sage. It's a very calming smell for your system. And so take your time to create your space, to find a moment in your day where you can be quiet and attuned to your feelings and attuned to your breath. Okay, so sit comfortable. You can sit on a cushion, you can sit on a chair. Bring your table down. Your spine elongates softly. Your shoulders blades roll toward the spine. Elongate your neck. Send the top of the head very high. And take a deep breath here. Being aware of this posture, of this alignment in your body. And here we're gonna create a mudra. It's called Hridaya Mudra. And this mudra makes the flow of energy go directly from your hands to your heart space. So the mudra, you need to curl your index finger under your thumb. And then the middle finger and the ring finger go together on the tip of your thumb. The pinky finger extend open. Okay, so index curl under the thumb, middle and ring finger touch together, the little finger just open up. So put your hands on your knees, tuck to your long back, close your eyes and inhale. Take a deep breath and exhale down. Inhale. Expand your heart center. Exhale, release and soften. Inhale, send your breath towards your heart center. Exhale, release. And keep connecting to your breath in a very soft way, sending each breath to your heart center. Send your awareness to your heart. Imagine its shape. Imagine its weight. Breathe into your heart and listen. Breathe into your heart and soften. As you exhale, let your heart soften. As you exhale, let any resentment dissolve. Let any pain release as you exhale. Let any heart dissolve. Let the heart corners soften. Let any tension go. And I invite you to create a light that comes from the top of your head into your heart center. Let this bright and warm light expand from your heart outside to the front, to the sides and to the back. And stay with the light. Stay with the breathing. On the next inhale, bring a wave of compassion to your heart. Take a deep breath. Hands to your heart center, palms together. You're welcome to stay longer on this meditation and pause the video. I'm leaving you here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for bringing light into your soul. And namaste. See you next time.